In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the latest working Delta Executor on your iOS device without the use of any side loader. So this is a direct install, and the thing with this is that it's going to have revoke, so keep that in mind. But this is the easiest, most simplest way to get Delta Executor. The first thing that you guys have to do is go to this website here. I will leave a link for that in the description down below. And basically what you're going to do is click on get link here and then just click on watch ads and then quickly watch the ads. And now once you guys have done that, just click on open here and then just click on install Delta here. It'll say open in iTunes, click open, and then it'll say Delta Executor would like to install Delta, click install here. Now go back to your home screen and now you guys will see that it is side loading here. As you guys can see, Delta Executor has now been sideloaded on my iDevice, and all you need to do now is just go into settings, general, VPN and device management, and then just quickly trust the certificate, and then it will prompt you to restart. And then after that, you guys can open up Delta here and it'll work just like it is intended to. But I will say that with direct installs, there is a very high chance that the certificate gets instantly revoked. So if you guys are watching this video like 2-3 days after it has been posted, there is a very high chance that it may give you an unable to install pop-up. And in that case, I would highly recommend watching the video in the top right, as with that way there is absolutely zero revokes and you guys can ensure the latest version of Delta every single time. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching.